Okay, so get the remote from me. Help me turn off the volume down a bit. Okay, so you guys can hear me. Welcome to today's session. We would quickly do something. Sorry about that. I noticed that a lot of guys have challenges with what's it called now? Market structure. Not just market structure, but basically identifying what's it called now? Market direction. That's the thing about trading. You want to first get the market's direction. Direction is like the first things, and then what's it called now? Entry models, targets. They are like the so direction first, targets next, entry model last. Right? Does that make any sense? So you want to get a direction first, and then you want to get your target second, and then you want to get your entry last. Yeah, it's like this. It's like you're going from Lagos to Abuja. You know the direction, how you have to go, right? You know how you have to go. Um, you know how the journey, the routes to take, right? You know how long it will take you to get there and all of the stuff. Now that's what you know your direction already, exactly. Direction is Lagos to Abuja. Now the target is Abuja. Now, how do I get to Abuja from Lagos? Because now I know I'm going to Abuja, right? I know the target is Abuja. So how do I get to Abuja? So then you start looking for maybe a plane, or all these um, transport companies, GOU, God is good, all of those guys. And you now find a park, their park, or go to airports, book buy a ticket, book the flight, so all of that booking the flight, that's getting to the park. That's like entry model, So entry model is like the least thing, the last thing that comes, in trading. First things first is direction. I mean, direction is everything, right? So if you're new here, my name is Clifford, and I've been trading for over 2 years now, and it has been a roller coaster. If you guys can understand, if you've been in this space as long as I have, you notice that it's a roller coaster. I've gone like a whole year, and I've gone a whole year, and there's literally no profit. Like, one time I had profits for my prop firm back to back. That was like in 2014. No, sorry, that was 2024. Yeah, that was like 2 years ago. And then the whole of last year, I can tell you for a certainty that I made not one single withdrawal. Other personal account or portfolio account, none. So last year was like the year I had to sit back, and have get all my stuff together. So today I'll just walk you guys. If you're new here, do to us like the channel, follow, So we'll be doing this more often. I'll show you guys how it's done and how I do my trading, and also, yeah. So I'll share my screen, and we would analyze the market together. All right, give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen. Share the entire screen. Yeah, entire screen. Okay, so um, sharing my screen. Give me a second. Uh, okay, so let's see what we have here. So we'll look at direction. Like so, these are like things I'm actually on right now, and then hold on. Let me get my mouse. I like this wired mouse. It works well for me. Yeah, nice. Okay. So okay, yeah. So I'm in. My mouse is in. All right. So let's do some analysis. Let's see how Let me show you guys how to easily identify direction. I mean, easily. Whether you're a day trader or you're a swing trader, I don't do scalping here. I know those stuff, but basically day trader and swing trader. you know, this would work for you. So basic thing, things first is we want to know how to identify direction. I mean, direction is everything in the market, because if you can't determine where the market is going or coming from, how do you know where to enter and how do you know where to target? So first things first, you want to understand the market direction. Like, where is this market coming from and where is the market going to? I mean, this thing was my issue for many years, many years, but thanks to God, through mentorship, and I was able to figure it out, and I figured it out towards the end of last year. So I'm going to show you guys today how you can successfully identify market direction, if not 100%, but at least 80 over 100. In fact, not this is not to boast or be proud, but I can tell you for a certainty, yes, that you can this system that I'm about to show you guys on how to get direction works like 95%. I mean 95%. So just stay chill, and then so this is a day that I was supposed to get in on this morning, but it has gone without me. I mean, I knew direction was bullish and I already set my entry. This if I log myself on my PC now, you will see this entry is there, but I'm not taking this trade yet because I'm waiting for you to come back, like to come back here, and tag me and then give me what do you have it now? Give me my target and all. I just come here for targets. So this is like what I'm expecting from this market. So I'm going to see what happens in New York section. But so far so good. I'm already in this one. This is a CAD JPY buy, and I'm already in this one as well. You can see. So direction first, targets second, entry model last. Like entry model. I'm going to show you guys how I took this trade. So let's get a clean chart. A clean chart. Let me use something ADUSD for instance. Okay, yes, this three GBP NZD, GBP NZD, NZD. So just pay attention. You see, this is going to be the game changer for your trading. Like, I can tell you for a certainty that this is going to be that game changer for your trading, like game changer and all. So what do we have here? Okay, so let me explain what this is about basically. So um there's something called support and resistance, right? Something called Malaysian support and resistance. I don't know if you have heard it before, but they call it Malaysian. I don't know who gave it the name, but that's what everybody calls it. Who trade it? Malaysian SNR. I don't know why it is called like that, but you know that's what everybody calls it, and whatever it's called, it doesn't matter. What matters is as long as it is working, and then it is verifiable. There's enough data to it, and all of every stuff, like, it works. That's so the name is not a problem. However, does it work? So what's this malicious support? This system is basically normal support and resistance that support and resistance, right? That you all know. But I don't for some of you, you might know this system, but some might not. So how the system works is basically just simply the same, support and resistance. But this one we do it just with two candles or three candles. Let me explain. So take for instance now, let me hide all of this. Where is this eye? Let me hide all of this. Let me hide. Okay, so take for instance now, let me zoom this out so we can. Okay, so watch this, guys. So we have we have we have candle one. We have candle one. This is candle one, right? Let's call this candle. Let me pin this candle to be green, and then we have. I want it to be very dark. Very dark. Yeah, cool. And then we have candle two. Candle two opens where this candle closes, right? So candle two. Let me paint this candle as red. as red. Now follow carefully. So the high, these two candle high, these two candle high. Okay, let me take out that magnet. Sorry, give me a second, guys. All right, fine, that's fine. So these two candle high, this high, these two candle high, this high here, this the top, this two candle top is called the support. And if you look at the line charts, you would find something like this. It looks like a V. It looks like an A, sorry, not a V, an A, right? Like an A. And then this bottom here. Okay, let me just draw another candle. Another candle. This is candle one, and then this is a candle two. Candle two. Cool. So candle two. Now let me make this one green so that you guys can understand. They are bearish and bullish candle here. So this candle's bottom is these two candle. These two candle now, the two bottom together gives us on the line chart gives us what we call a V shape key level, right? So that means if a candle closes like this below here, please pay attention, guys. If a candle closes below this candle, below this place, let me paint this one red. So if a candle closes below here, right? Uh, we expect the next candle that opens to come here, tap on this one, and sell, and sell. Same way. So this key level, which is called an A-shaped key level, a V-shaped key level, serves as a support turn resistance, right? Now, why this key level also? If we have a candle close above this, close above this, right? The next candle that trades into it would already tells us the direction of the market. So we expect the next candle to come like this here, tap this key level, and then buys. It's just a simple logic, right? So we have this kind of key levels. It's just this is resistance, turn support. This is support, turn resistance. So. But this all I'm showing you is just the theoretical framework. I'm going to go to the chart and show you how it actually plays out, like, carefully and all. So follow carefully. So we have these two key level. We have the A-shaped key level, right? And we have the V-shaped key level, right? So what makes up these key levels? Like I explained together, two opposite candles, right? With this having the same top or the same bottom, two opposite candles. So like for this one, now we have this bearish candle and bullish candle having the same opening, right? Exactly. So A shape. So we expect price to come here, price comes here, price comes back to this key level, and then we buy. If price comes and breaks it again, we sell. If it comes and breaks it again, we buy. If it comes and breaks it again, we sell. I mean, just like that, and so on and so forth. Just like this, and then that's all you need. Just like this, like this, like this, and then you're already in a trade. So it doesn't make any sense. It's just same thing for the V shape and the A shape, and this is just like you turn the V upside down, you get the A. You turn the A upside down, you get the V. It's just like that, and it's that simple. Exactly. So let's take a close. Okay, let me give you guys the last one. It is called. There's another key level called open close key level. This one it doesn't have to be two opposite candles. It can be the same candles. For example, now this is a bullish candle one, and then we have another bullish candle open from here, and goes up like this. So this space, the space, this in this place here is called an open close. That means it's like the name open close. What it means is just basically that that's where this one closed. Where this candle closed is where this candle opened from. Right? Are you following? No. So let's get it. So where this candle closed is where this candle opened. So it's why we call this place open close key level. So what happens is market comes to it like this, gives a reaction, we buy, right? And this key level can serve as either what's it called now? It can serve either bullish or bearish intent. So for example, if market comes here to this key level and gives a reaction, we can sell. So open close can serve both ways. Are you following? Open close key level can serve both ways, right? V shape serves for buy, A shape serves for sell. A V shape that is flipped can be used for buys, and A shape when it is flipped can be used for sell. Let me explain what I mean. So we have this is an A shape key level now, right? So this is it. So we have A shape key level here, A shape key level, A shape key level here, right? So what happens is this: is once we have this key level, this key level is supposed to help us sell, right? But if it gets flipped and we have a body close above it, it can be used to buy. Are you following now? So A shape flipped can be used for buy, but A shape is for sales, right? Do you understand now? Same way when you have a V-shaped key level like this. Now, normally V-shaped key levels are to buy, but in a case where it is flipped and there's a body candle close below it, it can be used for a sell. So it's basically support turn resistance, resistance turn support, and so on and so forth. Does it make any sense? This is clear. So we'll look at but basically we can't trade the key levels outrightly. You have to get certain reactions, right? So I'm going to because this is our first class. I'm going to get a make a PDF on all of this, and then let me show you guys something before we go, just so that you understand what I'm talking about. So look at this. This is GBP NZD, right? What do you see here? This is an open close. See this open and this close. This is an open close. And if you look very well, you will see the market. See this candle now. It just came perfectly to that open close key level, tapped it, and the candle is rejecting. You see that, right? So it is already rejecting. You see, just tapped it and it's rejecting. So if I get confirmation, because we trade the reaction, I can't just put a buy limit here. No, I trade the reaction. So once I see my reaction I want to trade, I go ahead and so I can tell you for a fact that this might be a bullish momentum. I've not seen the confirmation yet for that it's bullish, but with the way it's looking, it looks bullish. So just understand now. So with these key levels, it's easy to tell market direction, but the key levels alone will not do the work. There are other things we need to see, like like a breakout, a rejection, and all, which I would explain when I create the PDF and I will upload them tomorrow. Hope this makes sense. So we're going to stop here for now. Just watch this as an intro, and then we'll come back. We'll look at direction slowly, understanding the three kinds of key level: the A-shaped key level, the V-shaped key level, the open close key level. We'll look at how they work and the reactions to expect from them, and then afterwards we'll look at how to confirm those reactions if they are valid to tell the direction or not. I mean, with this system, Trust me, your struggling days are over, failing problems are over, not making withdrawals are over. Like I can put my neck out on this here. Cool. So but the truth is it's not going to jump on you. You have to put in the work. I would show you, but you have to put in the work to knowing it yourself. Does it make any sense? So let's stop here for now, and see you guys in the next live stream, which might likely happen tomorrow. Okay.